the channel, and today we're going to be trying out a Shipton Mill organic seedy white.
Perfect.
Please subscribe and share. Anyway, we'll get on with the video.
The recipe is now showing on screen.
Right, the first thing you do, guys, put your water and sourdough into the bowl. Then you add your flour. Just mix that round a little bit. And what we're going to do, add your salt and your bit of malt in. Stir that round a bit. And now you're going to add your bit of yeast in. Right then, we're now going to pop that straight onto the machine. And first speed, 1 minute. Looks as though the dough will take all that back. And that'll be a further 8 minutes. You want 1 minute on second speed. Right, dough's ready. We'll get out the machine. Right, little spray round. Right, now we just leave that in there for 1 hour to double its size. Not forgetting to cover it over. This next one, seedy white. Now just gently roll them over. We'll just leave these now for around about 10 minutes. Right, let's mould them up. With the seedy ones, we're going to put seeds on the top. Right guys, these are now ready to go into the prover, or if you've got proving boxes, they will prove for around about 1 to 2 hours. Depending on the temperature. These ones will probably take, I reckon, about, in my prover, around about an hour, hour and a half. guys, the sourdough's ready, we'll get them out. There you go. Guys, we'll get them into the oven. Now we're going to give them a good steam. We've just got bread in. The oven temperature is 425. It'll take around about 30 minutes for the bread to bake. But guys, bread's ready. Right guys, we're down to the seeded white bread from Shipton Mill. It looks a lovely loaf of bread, I must say. Well, let's cut her open and I'll have a look. Oh yes. And it's got your holes you wanted. You know, that's what sourdough's all about, they say. Somewhere to stuff the butter. Looks lovely. God, it does smell nice and malty. And it's got that nutty smell to it. Well guys, do let us know in the description below what you think of the recipe. I've got to say, as I can see as it goes, it's a lovely loaf of bread. And again, if there's anyone out there who's got a flour company and you want to send me some flour, I'm willing to give you a go and see what it's like. You know, because obviously, you know, that's what this is all about. Trying out your flour to see if it's any good to tell my subscribers. And also, anyone out there who's trying this stuff, you know, it's a seeded white organic and it's a spot on loaf, unless you know different. Anyway, do check out the description below for the recipe and for my playlist, and do share and do subscribe. I'll see you again. Later.